I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Cancer, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Meron po tayong isa pang channel that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. No? So nagla-live po tayo doon, pwede po kayong sumali. Ayan. So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading. You may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. So, nakakakita ako dito ng separations right off the bat. Separations, hindi ito nangangahulugan na tapos na ito. Meron ditong sa ngayon, no? You may be in a physical separation with your person, or you may be in an energetic separation. No? Para sa mga bago, I keep on saying this. Physical separation, ito po yung literal, no? Si person ay nasa malayong lugar. Physically, magkalayo kayo. Pero energetic separation is also different. Pwedeng nakikita naman kayo, no? Either sa trabaho, sa bahay, sa school, sa kalye. But then again, hindi naman kayo nag-uusap. There's still some gap. So you still feel separated from the person energetically. What I am seeing in here, parang meron na rin dito nagsasabing tama na, ayoko na, tapos na, medyo napapagod na ako, medyo hindi ko na gusto yung nangyayari. I feel like meron na rin nagsasabi dito, ay, natotoxican na ako, no? Sa situation natin ngayon. For a few numbers of you, this is more happening into doon sa mga in a relationship, and lalong-lalo na dito sa mga mag-asawa, no? Or living in together. I feel like parang sinabi natin dito na hanggang doon na lang, no, yung PC ko. Hanggang doon na lang siya, hindi na pwedeng may stretch pa. I feel like masyado na akong nasaktan or masyado na akong naaabuso. With the 9 of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, the 5 of Wands. So parang may nagsasabi dito, whether this is you or your person, parang sinasabi na ilang beses mo nang ginawa. So probably meron tong kasalanan, no? Of course. Pero pinagbigyan ilang beses. I feel like dahil kasi sa situation natin, I tend to stay kahit medyo hindi na maganda yung pakiramdam ko, hindi na maganda yung nangyayari, no? Chances are because of mga bata, no? Tignan natin sa mga singles, sa mga crushes, and no labels. I feel like when it comes to that kind of situation, meron dito nagsasabi na hindi naman umuusad, no? Parang wala akong nakikitang hope, wala akong nakikitang progress dito sa nangyayari sa atin. So might as well, probably, no, kahit ayaw ko, kahit sabihin natin masakit para sa akin, itong lumayo, itong hindi magbigay, no, ng attention, kasi parang nasanay na rin ako. Meron dito kasi with the 9 of Pentacles, it should be happiness. It should be harvesting the happiness, or probably providing because someone is also harvesting. So I feel like hindi ko na kaya kasi medyo I feel like naaabuso, no? Itong aking kabaitan, itong aking pagbibigay ng abundance. Abundance may mean different for everybody, no? Sometimes abundance may mean literally pera sa ibang tao. Sa iba, it could be my peace of mind. Um, for someone, it could be my bags, my shoes, no? Whatever it is that you feel very important to you, no? Parang sinasabi, siguro din, masyado tayong nagbibigay, no? Ng mga material na bagay or it could be pera, no? So parang, ito lang yata ang gusto mo. So I feel like hindi, parang nakakahalata ako. So with the Five of Wands, clarified with the Ace of Cups and the Knight of Cups. Hindi naman abrupt itong biglaang yung biglaang naramdaman, no? Gradual ito dahil nakakita ng pattern, no? I feel like nakahalata, siguro dumating din dun sa part na tinest, no, itong tao, and then sinabi niya ay parang na-confirm ko, no, kapag siguro nagdadamot ako or kapag binibigyan ko siya ng challenges, parang cold siya sa akin, and I feel like wala man lang kaamor-amor, no? Unless kung meron akong ibibigay, no, sa kanya or meron akong iaabot. Cancer, I'm seeing the Devil card, the Page of Cups, and the Three of Swords. So nakakita din ako dito ng narcissistic behavior wherein siguro masyadong dinadown yung emotion ng isang tao, no? Parang sinasabing wala nang ibang magmamahal sa'yo, ako na lang yung nagtsatsaga. And it hurts. Kasi sabi nga nila, di ba, yung word, mas maano pa siya, matalim pa siya kesa sa espada, no? Kasi kapag nakasakit ito, yung peklat, no? Yung peklat, may iwan yun and it keeps on haunting them. I am seeing, siguro, ngayon, meron ng separations, meron pa rin yung nasaktan, no? Somehow nagwa-wonder pa din, ganun niya kamahal itong taong kanyang iniwan or iniwan siya. Meron ditong, siguro, I wonder what is happening to you right now. So I'm sneaking out on your social media. Ang masakit dito kapag tinitingnan niya social media, medyo parang wala lang yung nangyari doon kay person. Parang hindi masyadong parang hindi niya masyadong ininda. Wherein ikaw, no, etong binabasahan ko, whether this is you or your person or the cross watchers, what I'm trying to say is ang sakit-sakit, no? The Three of Swords, the Empress, and the Nine of Wands. The Nine of Wands in here, it felt like to me, siguro nakapag-decide din itong person na nasasaktan, no? Siguro I need to change something. And we will start with our physicalities with the Empress, no? Empress signifies beauty. So I feel like meron dito mag-glow up. Yun yung kanyang plan, no? Magpagupit ng buhok, magpalagay ng extensions, what have you, magpagluta para pumuti for physical purposes, for aesthetic purposes, no? Or magpatan kung feeling ko ito yung makakapagpaganda sa akin, whatever it takes, no? Para I feel like ma-enhance yung aking nararamdaman and parang hindi ko naman ma-feel na masyado akong mababa, no, sa paningin niya. I feel like meron din pupunta sa gym to the extent of may plans of enhancement, no? Going under the knife. Siguro pinag-iisipan na or pinag-iipunan na. I am seeing with the Judgment, the Knight of Wands, the Ten of Wands. So parang sinasabi dito, ang hirap-hirap, ang hirap mag-move forward pero parang kailangan kong gawin. So I feel like itong energy na ito is parang nawalan na ng hope, nawalan na ng sabihin natin enthusiasm, no, dito sa relationship. But then again, sometimes I'm sneaking on and checking on my person. Pero I feel like meron na dito itong embrace doon sa acceptance, no, na siguro baka eto na nga. But let's see what the universe has something to say dito sa energy na iniwan, no? The King of Wands, the Hanged One, and the Queen of Wands. I love the King and Queen of Wands showed up, and it kind of make me feel that there will be some brutally honest conversation that might going to happen between you and your person. So parang dito na maglalabasan ng sakit ng once this conversation happened, no, dito maglalabasan yung ito kasing ginawa. Meron sisihan, yes, kasi brutally honest nga. But I feel like magkakaroon pa rin dito ng I think the moving forward is not going to happen, but more of I'm gonna be stuck in this situation para pag-aralan pa. So I think that there's healing that needs to happen in here, no? Hindi pa agad maile-let go. And I think that yung hindi pa maile-let go is going to be a mutual energies, no? Parang ang hirap din kasi because of the memories that both of you shared, no? So this is your reading, Cancer. Let's check the zodiac sign. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo doon, so pwede po kayong sumali, no? So kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo, no, papatulugin ng yes or no lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question, no, for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Leo, Scorpio, Libra. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Pisces, Capricorn, Cancer, Taurus, no? Yan po ang inyong reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.